Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Iguverse token. Ticker symbol is IGUP. Now Igu is short for iguana, and metaverse obviously is the verse part. Now this token just got listed a couple days ago on CoinGecko, very brand new listing. Right now it's up 256%. It's doing amazing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Iguverse. IGUP is the ticker symbol. So there is a warning before we get into this token at the top of the CoinGecko page that everyone should be aware of before even thinking about investing in this token. It says, the smart contract owner can mint new tokens. Please proceed with caution. So yes, definitely thoroughly do your own research. Now, when they have warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam. But it has the potential to be when it has warnings like that. So thoroughly investigate this token first, especially when the dev, can alter the smart contract and mint new tokens, change tax rates, do all that type of stuff. Can be sketchy. So thoroughly investigate this token. Now, this is a Binance Smart Chain token. You can find the price chart, contract address, all listed on CoinGecko, along with their BSC scan webpage, which is iguverse.com, full link tree, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and GitHub. Tons of links listed on here. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. You can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and trading your BSC for the IGUP token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, or you could find it on their BSC scan, which is also listed on CoinGecko. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, or you can get this token off of MEXC or BuySwap, and on both of those exchanges, it is paired with BUSD. So those are 3 different ways that you can get this token. And yeah, according to their BSC scan, right now they have 965 holders, 9,591 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 16 million tokens. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, you can find a roadmap on there. Services, they have different service links on here, like World Cup free mint whitelist, tokenomics, team verification. They have contact info on here. You can connect your wallet to the page, watch a promo video, participate in a whitelist, and they have a full white paper on here as well. So it says, introducing blockchain to millions of users in a gamified way. So what is this all about here? Socialize to earn, move to earn, play to earn, and help to earn. Iguverse GameFi app redefines the whole concept of NFT using AI ML technologies. Unique user-generated NFTs are to become a new standard. NFT 2.0, dethroning faceless collections. In our GameFi app, we introduce an innovative game mechanic, social to earn, along with 2 more earn concepts, move to earn and play to earn, where users can complete simple tasks like sharing pet photos on social media or walking and feeding them to earn and get rewards. We are creating a pet-centric play-to-earn social media game. So that's where the iguana comes in, because this is all based on pets. which combines the three most popular game mechanics, social to earn, move to earn, and play to earn, all in one app. Iguverse makes a breakthrough in Web3 gaming industry as it adds social and community elements to cryptocurrency by going over their everyday social media routine. Players get to play different mini games in the app, which rewards them with tokens based on their overall performance and the characteristics of their NFT assets. So our mini game has socialize to earn, walk a pet to earn, which is the move to earn part, and feed a pet to earn, which is the play to earn part. And so Iguverse app is currently in the development stage. So just be aware of that. It's not fully ready yet. So the social network game is a type of online game that is played through a social network or social media and features multiplayer gameplay mechanics. Recently, the innovative game business model of play to earn evolved into the new concept of real-world action to earn, where players can perform various activities in the real world and earn rewards. 1 year ago, the idea of move to earn gained popularity on the market and began a new era of play to earn games. Like the most famous one was probably Steppin'. It says, we came up with a brand new concept of socialize to earn. I mean, I've heard that before. I don't know if they came up with it, but it's been around in a bunch of other tokens. So yeah, you get the idea here. So on their white paper, which you can find at whitepaper.iguverse.com, they have the economic sustainability section here where you can read about the longevity of their GameFi project. They talk about the socialize to earn and viral mechanic of that, how it can gain traction. The token and the game and all that can gain traction by people sharing it on social media, obviously. And they have the create NFTs from your imagination, so you can create your own NFTs. You can create an NFT from your real pet's photo, which is interesting. And talks about making a real world impact. So they have the tokenomics here. Looks like they have two different tokens. So the IGU token is minted at the token generation event with a max supply of 400 million tokens. And that one is offered to investors in 4 sale rounds. So that one's the governance token, in-app and third-party staking token. Users pay for IGU for NFT mints, NFT rank upgrades, mystery boxes, inventory purchases, etc. And then they have the IGUP token. It has an unlimited supply and will be minted on demand as the main means of rewarding users. Its burn mechanics are connected with different in-game actions such as upgrades. So that one you could use for feeding pets, leveling up pets, deflationary token burn, and buying boosters for NFT upgrades. So there's going to be a DAO involved with this community here. You're going to get voting rights. And you can read all about the gameplay and everything like that on their white paper here. About the NFTs, the playable characters, the ranks, rarities, inventory, all that type of stuff. So check it all out. This token just got listed on CoinGecko a couple days ago, so you can check it out on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.